Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to explore more hobby stores in Vancouver. Today we hang out at Imperial Hobbies at Richmond, Vancouver. This store has been supporting the hobby community since 1986. It started in a small 800 square foot space, but has grown to more than 3 times that size, now offering thousands of products for all types of hobbies.
Hello, welcome to Imperial Hobbies. Hopefully one of your sites to visit when you come into Vancouver for modeling and so on. Other than that, if there's any questions that anybody would ever want to ask, we have several staff members that can be helpful to you and also probably show you some new tricks that you may not have come across when you're doing some modeling and so on.
Francis and his team are amazing. When our drinks spilled all over the table and floor, we thought we were in for a lecture. Instead, they jumped in right away, assisted with the cleanup, and made sure we were still having a great time. I love seeing these tables at hobby stores. It's so cool that people can hang out and socialize. I just wish I had known about places like this when I was younger, but my mom always had me tied up with piano lessons. This place is massive, and it has everything you possibly want. They also carry puzzles, board games, figures and toys. Wall hammers. Miniatures. Board game dices. They carry a wide variety of Gundams and car models, including tractor trailers, trucks, and bikes. Rockets. And their reference books and comic section is massive. Paintbrushes and airbrushes. And a variety of lacquer, acrylic, enamel, and oil paints. For dioramas, they have plenty of modeling scenery supplies. I'm also brainstorming ideas for my next diorama. What about these mini trees? And there's a vending machine. And it's free to play board games here. Whether you're into comic books, role-playing games, board games, models, toys, hobby supplies, or card games, this is the ultimate destination on the west coast of Canada for unbeatable variety. If you ever come to Vancouver, don't forget to drop by Imperial Hobbies and stay tuned for more hobby store visits in our upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss anything. Feel free to drop a comment below. If you're into plastic models or Gunpla, be sure to check out my other videos. Catch you in the next one.